rising, it doesn't stop there. She's got porcelain skin, of course she's a 10.
Thank you very much. We've still got this issue in Barnsley Road. It's still closed in both directions. There's queues because of an accident between Blacksmiths Lane and the Red Hill Lane junction at Hickleton, affecting you from the A1M towards Hickleton. Likely to get busy after 5. Also, the M1 northbound still has a lane closed down, heavy traffic because of vehicles. Likely to get busy after 5. Also, the M1 northbound still has a lane closed down, heavy traffic because of vehicles broken down between Markham Lane at 29A and 30 for Worksop and Sheffield South Junction. It's the outside lane that's closed there. Elsewhere, starting to get busier as well. Hanover Way looking busy in Sheffield near the Moore Street roundabout, and also in Rotherham as well. It's looking busy on New Wortley Road, starting to get busy near to Centenary Way at the College Road roundabout. If you spot a problem though, keep us updated on the Jam Dodger line 0114 256 1212, more in 15 minutes.
On the way after 5 then, 3 MPs in Rotherham are investigated for